Putt Genie are putting balls designed to improve your putting. They have three very unique functions. First function is putter face diagnosis at impact. If you open, ball's going to curve left. If you're closed, ball's going to curve right. If you're square, ball's going to roll dead straight. Next function is, do you have the correct balanced putter for you? It's vital to be a good putter. If you've got a balanced putter that doesn't suit your arc and stroke, you're clearly not making as many putts as you should be. If you put the Putt Genies down and you putt with the three different balanced putters, you'll be amazed at which putter squares up more consistently at impact for your stroke and tempo. And the third function is your eyes. You'll be amazed at how your eyes can fight you on the golf course. If you read the putt correctly and you address the ball and your eyes are looking too far left or right, you're still going to miss the putt even though you're a good putter. So you've got to train the eyes. It's absolutely vital. Okay, first function you're looking for to get feedback from Putt Genie is your putter face diagnosis. So what I'd do is I'd find as straight a putt as possible, line your sticks up to the hole so that you know you're lined up nice and straight. Generally I'd start with the bigger one. It's a little bit easier to roll. Whatever feedback I get from the big one, I'm going to try and immediately apply to the slightly harder one. By the time I get to the thin one, I should be knowing what I want to do. I'm going to put my normal golf balls here and immediately apply the roll I learned from the Putt Genies into a normal golf ball. So I'll start with the bigger one first. Whatever feedback I get, I try and apply to the middle one. Try and keep that feedback. And then immediately apply that roll that I've learned onto a normal golf ball. And you're good to go. Second unique function that Putt Genie is going to show the golfer is what different balanced putter suits your arc and tempo. So for example, this is called a slight arc putter. This is called a full arc putter, where the toe hangs down. And this is called a face balance putter. All right. Now, you don't necessarily have to get a face balance putter that's a mallet looking putter. You can get a blade looking putter that is also face balanced. But the point is, try and find a putter that suits your arc and tempo. Now, if you putt with the Putt Genies, they're gonna expose this flaw in your putting. So, if I can demonstrate, if I putt with a slight arc putter, I don't square it up 90% of the time like I do a face balance putter. So, if I try a slight arc, I then go to a full arc. I'll try and repeat the same stroke and see what the result is. And if I go to a face balance, which is what suits me more, my arc and tempo, and I try and repeat the same stroke, you can see I square it up more consistently at impact than the other two. So it's very important that you find the balanced putter that suits your arc and tempo. Okay, third and vital part of putting, which I find very, very interesting, is your eyes. What are your eyes telling you on the golf course? So here's a really nice drill to test your eyes and to see what you're seeing. Get a stick, line it up exactly in the middle of the hole. Take the thinner of the Putt Genies, it works better with the thinner one. Line it up exactly behind the stick. So now we can see that ball is aiming exactly into the middle of the hole. Take the stick away, get into a dress position. And what we're looking for here is we want to see what your eyes are telling you. So we know that that's exactly in the middle. What are your eyes telling you? Does that ball look like it's aiming left or aiming right? A lot of people see different things. So when I started with this drill, this ball looked like it was aiming too far left for me. So try and see which side of the hole your eyes are looking, and then we know what to train from there. Okay, so depending on what your eyes are telling you, you can now train to see right edge or left edge or ball right, ball left, whichever side you're seeing worse. So what you want to do now, try and find the actual break. So find a sloping putt. So if I hit that, you can see that's about a ball right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my stick. I'm going to line it up exactly a ball right. put my Putt Genie down, I'm going to put a coin down so I'm in the same place every single time. Put my Putt Genie down. So what I want to do now is I'm training my eye to see what a ball right is supposed to look like. So again, I get into address position and I look down that ball line and I'm looking to a ball right. And I look 3, 4, 5, 10, 20 times. Once I'm happy with what I see and I think I can see a ball right quite comfortably, I take the Putt Genie away and now I'm actually going to putt to a ball right. So now I know what to look for and I'm going to go for it. And the more I see the ball curve into the hole, the more comfortable my eye gets with seeing what a ball right is supposed to look like. That way my eyes aren't going to fight me on the golf course. Putt Genie is designed for every golfer. You get 2 different packs, a regular pack and an advanced pack. The regular pack is 3 different size golf balls, 3 degrees of difficulty. You get the slightly bigger ball, easier to roll. Then you get a little bit thinner, a little bit more precise feedback, and then really thin, which is really tough to roll. Each ball weighs exactly the same as a golf ball, so the resistance to the putter face is what a normal golf ball would give you.